Hi guys, so let me show you around my garden. Some tomatoes. Isn't this big enough? Okay. And this is mangold. Mangold. Looks like spinach here, I know. Then I have small tomatoes here. Isn't this garden beautiful? Ooh, the tomatoes are popping. And then some paprikas here. Yeah, they're very small. They still need some time. I don't know whether you can see them, but then yeah, look at this one. Some paprikas. They're all just paprikas here, and then some small tomato trees as well. Yep, paprikas, and then here. That's just a nice one machine. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Beautiful, isn't it?